one thing that we have here at Summit is a systems board. If you look down the center, it is symmetric on both sides. So I'm right-handed. I don't know about you and your climbing, but maybe you notice if you have the option, you typically go with your right hand first. Maybe you're more coordinated on that side. There might be some discrepancies in how you move in running, biking, swimming, any other sport where it is unilateral. So in climbing, we want to be as good on our non-dominant side as our dominant side. So systems board is a great tool. So I'm going to try to come up with a sequence and mirror that on both sides. Also, memory challenge, because now I got to remember what that sequence was. I guess you'll be able to see if I do a good job. All right. Was that the same? You tell me.